Hello everyone, this is Vashish from Diggaz Realty. Today we are standing in one of the landmark property of Sarjapur Road called Shoba Royal Pavilion. Entering now, we have a small fur area where you can keep your shoes and other stuffs, and after that we have a large living room where we have given an option of TV, and also very uncommon, a beautiful balcony is quite huge and give you a very serene feeling. And obviously, if when you are spending your evening with a cup of coffee and very nice view, it will be totally aesthetic. And also in the living room, we have a small puja room and shelf which has been given. After that, we have a modular kitchen with the chimneys around and the intact cupboard space is quite spacious and very beautifully done. As you can see, with the water purifier, and along with the utility room and a small maid room we have with an attached bathroom. Now we are coming to the children's room, and I must say the windows are quite large to give you a proper ventilation. So now we are coming to the common bathroom. You can see the tiling and the flooring which is purely Rajasthani style. This is the master bedroom with the attached toilet. Here also you can see the tiles in a Rajasthani style which has been fitted. And this is a lavish and huge master bedroom with a given by a quite large wardrobe. And also the most important factor is coming with a balcony. So you will be getting a very beautiful view of the RGA Tech Park and the rest of the city. So here also we have a attached bathroom. As you can see, the tiles are purely inspired and designed from the Rajasthani royal theme, and the very large windows for a proper ventilation, and quite a large bedroom with a beautifully designed cupboard.